Hey guys, CJ9899 here, and I bring you Mini System Test 4. Okay, so for this mini system test, obviously you can see here we have a new panel. This is a brand new, and I mean literally brand new, Mircom FA1000 fire alarm conventional control panel. This panel has 8 zones out of the box and 4 NACs. It is really cool. It replaced the 6632, but the 6632 I will probably actually end up selling at some point. I don't know when, but I feel like I don't really need it anymore since I have all this. But anyways, this panel is beautiful. This is a panel that I've wanted for so long. Not going to go into how I got it, though I did get it legally. I did not steal it from anywhere or anything. I got it, but I did get it for free. I will say that. But yeah, this panel is really cool. It's only got one trouble, and that is a battery trouble. And if you're wondering why I can't just do the battery hack, well, this thing can do the battery hack, except then it will show a ground fault. So what I'm actually going to be doing is I will be getting a new set of batteries at some point. I don't know when, but I know I will be, because I would like to see this thing at normal state. But anyways, this pull station here, we have something. I think I kind of made a little setup that I think is pretty appropriate. Here we have my Notifier MPS 950B pull station. I still have the other Mircom pull station up on the main system, so that's why it's not here. But yeah, you've seen this pull station before. Smoke detector is actually this Edwards detector, but it actually has a heat detector on it. I won't test the heat detector today, but next time I will. But this is just, other than that, it's regular conventional Edwards smoke. And for here, this is a Mircom, I think just Select a Horn strobe. It was rebranded by it's a rebrand of the Potter and Amsico ones, and it is set on mechanical horn low volume, which basically just sounds exactly like a Commander 3. And it's doing code 3 internally, but the panel is set to continuous. So, one thing though I will say is that this panel does put out FWR, or full wave rectified, as do all Mircom panels, but I have gotten a little device that should be able to filter it out, because again, this thing is not working. It's just acting as a terminal cabinet. But yeah, it should be here Monday or so. I ordered something off Amazon that should be able to filter out the FWR, at least on one NAC. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that buzzer's a bit annoying. I put electrical tape over it. It's a common alarm pull station. Let's go ahead and reset. Maybe a little tricky to do with one hand because it's a long screwdriver. Oh, never mind. Alright. Here's just a preview of some other stuff. I'm going to say, though, that fire shield does not work. I'm looking into it. The transformer on it works, but the main board does not. It's a 3-zone 2-NAC fire shield, but this panel completely works, and believe it or not, I was actually able to do the battery hack on it. It's a Mircom FA101T. Stay tuned for that. So, now let's go ahead and reactivate the smoke detector with some of the good old smoke saber. There. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna do that. Only thing I'll say is that these panels can get a little bit confusing. Alright, let's reset. It can get a little bit confusing when it comes to programming it, but if you can, luckily this came with a manual, so, like a full manual, so I was able to program it properly. But you can probably just go online and get a PDF of it. So, that has been Mini System Test 4. I know this is a very long Mini System Test, but of course, this is the new panel. It's in the new box. It was basically brand new. The only reason they could give it to me was because it said it had a factory defect and it needed to be returned to the seller. But, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it as far as I can tell. But anyways, this is CJ9899 signing off, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.